Hello again and welcome back. So the reason why you are here in this video right now is because you want to get the game same as me, right? So you want to get Friday Night Security Breach Ruin on your mobile phone. So right now I'm going to show you guys step by step that how you can do it and what you have to do. Okay, so practically guys, before we start the loading process of the game, all right, as I mentioned before, you need to make these changes which I showed to you before. I'm going to do it again one more time. I have to mention to you one more time that this method is working for the both device, iOS and Android. Okay, so I decided to show you the steps right here, everything you need to do step by step, because if I show it in the previous video, probably the developers of the game will not like it, this trick that I find it out, so they would request you to probably to ban my video or something like this. So I decided to make it an unlisted video so you can see it by yourself, guys. You understand all the steps you need to follow. Okay, all right, from the beginning right now. So what I did practically before, guys, I just need to mention to you one more time, just go to the settings, make sure about two things: general, background refresh, select Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is going to help with that internet doesn't let you fail during the downloading process. And then the second thing is lower power mode. If you use lower power mode, switch it off, guys, or battery saver in your Android phone, switch it off, guys, before, and then after you finish the whole process, you get the game in your mobile phone, then you can do whatever you want after. You can switch it on again. Okay, so these are the only two things that you have to do. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, you just need to go to your internet browser,